to my percussion assignment video number 9. This is Kat Lasley, my student. Alright, we're going to start with teaching you how to go to set. Feet together and your sticks are together over your drum, your invisible drum. We're going to pretend you're playing snare. So it's going to be about this high, kind of relaxed. It'll be about where your playing position is. Alright, that is set. And then we're going to talk about playing position. That would be like right over the top of your drum. So put your sticks out and act like you're going to play. More central, because your drum's going to be about here. You're going to play in the center of it. So think circle right in front of you. Okay. Yeah, visualize. It's good. Alright. Next we're going to talk about sticks in and out. So your sticks are out right now. That's like the out position as you're playing. Your playing position. Yeah. Okay. So if I say sticks in, you're going to want to as snappily as you can without breaking your fingers go in. But you're going to have to, yeah, see how you have to lift that hand so you don't smush your fingers. You probably have to lift your right back thumb as well. And so, yeah, that sticks in. So if I said sticks in, sticks out. Alright, so sticks in, sticks out. Sticks in, sticks out. Alright. Okay, so now we're going to talk about mark time. We're just going to have you in your set position with your sticks in. Alright. So for mark time for winds, they're just going to lift their heels. But we're in the drum line, so we're going to lift our feet just a little bit, just barely off the ground. So why don't you try doing that? Let's see how high you can lift your foot before I start counting off. Alright, maybe just a little bit higher because you want to really feel the beat. And you're going to kind of like bend your knees a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to say mark 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to clap. And after I say 4, that it'll be 1, like the start of a new measure. So you'll mark time for 4. Alright, so set, mark 2, 3, 4. Good job. Alright, now we're going to talk about the halt mark time. So basically you're going to be marking time. We're going to have your sticks out for this one because you'll bring your sticks in at the end of a halt. So you have your sticks out in playing position, and I'm going to say mark 2, 3, 4 again. Then you're going to mark time for 4, and then you're going to halt, which means stop moving your feet and bring your sticks in. So mark 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Good job. All right. Now we're going to talk about forward marching and backwards marching. So to forward march, you're going to want to roll your foot and walk forward, or it would be marching at this point. All right. Good job. Okay. So to start that, I would say mark 2, 3, 4. Make sure you always start with your left foot as well. That's another rule of marching. So I would say mark 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to step off, and your heel will hit on 1, and you roll your foot.
Without mark time.
But yeah, we're going to mark time first.
Okay.
I'm going to say mark 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to mark time for 4, and then you're going to forward march 4, and then you're going to stop. So why don't we practice the sticks in as well? So you're going to start with your sticks out, and then at the end we'll mark time for 4 again and do a halt. How about that?
Okay.
Fun. All right. Mark. So do you remember what you're doing? Okay. So
yeah.
Mark 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Mark 2, 3, 4. Sticks in. Good job. Just make sure you get your sticks in right at 4. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to talk about backwards marching. To backwards march, we'll start by marking time, but then on 4, you're going to go up, and then on 1, you go back. So it'd be like 1, 2, 3, up, back, 2, 3, 4. You got it? You're going to want to stay on the tips of the balls of your feet, not like the tips of your toes.
Okay.
So, all right. So how about we start up a little bit? So we have somewhere to go. We're going to do. Okay, so we're going to do mark 2, 3. Well, I'm going to count off. Then you're going to do mark time for 4, backwards march for 4, mark time for 4, halt. Make sure you get your sticks in quick. Yeah. All right. So mark 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark 2, 3, 4. Halt. Good job. All right. Now we're going to talk about the crab step. To crab step, you're going to want to. You're always going to step off with your left foot. We're going to talk about going left first.
Okay.
So what you're going to do is to crab step, you're going to be going sideways. Whenever we do this is like the equivalent of the woodwinds in brass doing a slide. So like to move sideways, we don't slide, but we're going to do the crab step. So what you're going to do is bring your left foot out, then your right foot's going to go over. So you're going left, and your right foot goes over. You got it? So if you're going right, which foot's going to go over? Your left. Good job. All right. So we're going to start with going left, and then take your right foot across.
Like so step.
Yeah, you step and across. And then you're going to move your left foot back out again, and then right will go across again. All right. So we're going to mark time for 4, and then here you can come this way a little bit more. Mark time for 4, and then we're going to go left 4 steps. All right. Ready? You can. We're not going to do the whole thing, and then we'll just stop. Okay. Mark 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 2, 3, 4. Good job. All right. Now we're going to go right. You're going to do the same thing, but you're going to start with your left foot. And your left foot's going to have to go over. And then your right foot's going to go out, and then left goes over again. Alright? So, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to start off, we're going to do the same thing we just did, but going right. Mark, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 4, 3. Good job. Alright. Looks good. Make sure you keep your sticks parallel to your drum.